me and the chef in the place. We run the kitchen, we are set the place on the jam to be happy. Me make it taste so nice. Me a the man to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie Benny a medium, come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, village of creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food, the combination.
Alright guys, so Joshua is about to throw down. We have some seasoned chicken wings in this bowl. Tell the people what's on the chicken, Josh.
I put onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt, seasoning salt, Cajun seasoning, and I washed it with lime juice.
Yeah. And we're about to put it on air fry in our Ninja grill. Alright, stick and stay. Food I gonna turn up. Joshua style. So a trick that you can apply is to sprinkle a little baking powder on your chicken.
More. Yeah.
And this is gonna make for a crispy, crunchy, crackling air fried chicken.
Then you just stick your hand. Look.
He's got a bag.
Oh, he's got a bag.
Make sure you rub that on nicely so
I'm
that
gonna
it
put
gets
more as you
evenly
rub in.
distributed.
Keep on adding more. Remember baking powder, guys.
Baking powder.
And then if you don't have baking powder, you can use a little cornstarch.
Cool.
It's a life hack, probably.
Yeah.
We're gonna see.
We will see.
Tell them what we're doing, Josh. We're air frying it.
Yeah, we're putting it in the air fryer oven, and we're just layering it. And when it's halfway, you can go ahead and flip it.
Well, the machine will tell you when it's ready to flip.
So you think it's ready?
Even if it's not, you have to take them out.
For the sauce, we're putting some butter. So we have some butter. We have Frank's Red Hot. It has to be Frank's Red Hot sauce. And then you're just gonna put a lot of it. Okay. And then take some honey. Fresh honey. It has to be fresh. It doesn't really have to be, but.
Organic.
And then you pour it in. And you have to let all of it like simmer together.
So it's two tablespoons.
Sure. Yep. Or you can like taste it to taste. Like flip it to taste. Or make it to taste. And then have your thing on like simmer. And you just mix it all together. And it should be good.
They look good.
Okay, so our chicken is finished cooking, so we're just gonna pour the sauce we made all over it.
We're gonna take this and clean and take out the sauce.
Okay.
And then you're gonna toss it. Nice.
Make sure the sauce gets evenly coated all around the chicken.
Let me see. Nice, boss, nice.
Okay, so we're gonna do our taste test right now. You can see the sauce is over it.
It's good?
The chicken cooked through. You know, the sauce is good. It's like hot honey.
So it's not Dave's hot chicken, it's Josh hot chicken.
It's good, not gonna lie. It's good.
I love it. It's good, right? Josh boss. Josh, you in charge of chicken now. So that's it, guys. Let us know how Joshua did, if you really liked his take on hot honey chicken wings rather. And of course, give us a like and a share and also subscribe. Yardie TV. Big up on yourself, man. Enough respect.